Hey, I'm Matt. I'm a mechatronics engineering student who's been obsessed with building things ever since I was a kid. I made robotic arms, go-karts, and even a 3D printable rocket engine. But this summer I'm doing something different. Every day I'm waking up, hitting record, and building something new. With nothing but an idea, my laptop, and AI as my co-pilot. We call it vibe coding. It's not traditional coding. I'm not starting from a blank file and writing everything line by line. Instead I prompt AI, copy, paste, tweak, break things, fix them, and keep going. Vibe coding is about letting creativity lead and letting AI handle the grunt of the work. It's fast, messy, and honestly kind of magic. This series isn't a tutorial, it's not polished, it's a behind the scenes look at the process of creating something from nothing, every single day. Some days I'll build tools, other days I'll experiment, explore, or just mess around with an idea that makes me curious. The goal? To build momentum, to get better, to push limits, and to prove that with the tools we have today, anyone with the right mindset and consistency can ship stuff fast. So if you're into AI, coding, or just enjoy watching someone make cool stuff with no roadmap, you're in the right place. This is Vibe Coding.
Good morning, guys. It is May 21st. The plan for the day will be to monitor the apps, just like if they ever get rejected or some issues come up, I'll jump back on the computer, fix that up, and then resubmit it. But rather than just like wasting the day just waiting for that to happen, because there's not much I can do in the meantime, I'm going to continue to work on this project that I got. Just a little update for those of you who don't know. I got a project yesterday to create a game console for an iOS app. What happens is it uses augmented reality to overlay people on people, and you can like shoot them in the game, but this guy needs like a controller, which will basically have a button or a trigger, and then when the trigger is pulled, it should send a Bluetooth signal to the app and register as a shot. And this game is for like real life, so you use your phone and you play with real people and it tracks them and all that stuff. So I think we'll get on that. Let's do it. Guys, I got great news. The app SkillStack just got released onto the App Store. So you can see it over here. Hopefully you can. Hopefully it will focus. And I can click Get. And it should be installing once I click Approve. Let's go! We did it! So I did all the soldering for the controller. Right now I just hooked up to a power supply, just giving it juice. Let's see if it works over Bluetooth now. So I'll connect to it with this app. Now, subscribe to that protocol. Okay. Now whenever I hit the button, the light should go off here, and we should get shots fired zing on here. Let's go. And we can see shot fired there. Okay, we got the gamepad controller functionally working. Next steps would be to do the CAD, but in order to do the CAD, I need to figure out what all the parts are that I'm going to be using. And one thing that's still unclear is how I'm going to power this. So I'm thinking of using a little power supply, and I think the best bet might be to go to dollar store and see what they have available and maybe purchase one or two of those. So let's go do that. Guys, I got great news. My SkillStack creator just got approved too. So 30 minutes ago, SkillStack user got approved. Just now, SkillStack creator. So got a lot of work to do today, but right now we're gonna head to the dollar store, see if we can find a power supply to work on this other side project with. So
Okay, no luck at the dollar store. I'm gonna check Canadian Tire, see if there's some in there. Why is no one selling this cheap crap stuff anymore? Like, Canadian Tire doesn't have it. Shoppers doesn't have it. I went to Home Hardware, they didn't have it. It's a long shot, that one. But I just need like 500 milliamp hours. And no one sells it that low or that small. Like, Dollarama pull through on me. This is usually where you count. And I've seen them there before, but they don't have them. Maybe I'll check another dollar store. We'll see.
Okay, I'm going to show you what we got. This is the prototype for the controller. Over here we got a space for a rechargeable power bank. And so that will slot down over here. This is the latch that just moves out of the way. And then you can put it back to lock it in. When you drop the power bank in, it's actually going to automatically connect to this USB. This can just be sitting at the bottom. And that just gets plugged in right like so. We got space for wires. I still need to cover up more. I'm going to have my switch over here. So when you pull the trigger, it engages the switch and sends a signal to the ESP. ESP will be over here, and then of course when that signal gets received, then we'll send the Bluetooth to the app. I still also need to have a mount over here for the phone. That'll be doing the augmented reality and all that stuff, but that's how it is so far. Okay, we messaged Chris, gave him an update on the project. My plan for now is to actually go for a little run, get some exercise, and then we'll come back and get started more on the app. So that's the game plan.
Well, you guys did 6.4K today. Did it pretty hard. And it's beautiful. It's raining out. It's lovely. Good stuff. Nice and refreshing.
Okay, we're having some more issues with getting Skill Stack Creator for Mac OS approved. So I just got to message them again. They want to know if this is only for a company or who has access to the app. Okay, I think we're going to call it there for today. I spent a little bit more time on the CADing portion than I thought I would. I thought I would get more to like the skill stack and that stuff today. But it was a good change of pace, to be honest, and I really enjoyed it. So we'll see. I might do more of this tomorrow. Might do a little bit of skill stack stuff tomorrow. But yeah, we're calling it a day there. This is day 14. And day 14. I'll see y'all later.